Hello everyone, and I welcome you back once again to Jabi's Kitchen. Today I'm here with another chicken recipe, that is chicken momos. Chicken momos is in fashion these days, and youngsters, especially children and college students, love having chicken momos at their college canteens and outside. So learn how to make quick and easy chicken momos with Jabi's Kitchen. So here are the ingredients what I require for chicken momos. This is half kg chicken mince, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, black pepper, 1 onion finely chopped. This is cabbage finely chopped, vinegar and soya sauce. So let's begin quickly how to make our momos. So friends, for chicken momos, first you mash the chicken mince. This is half kg chicken mince which I am just losing it. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, the chopped onions and cabbage. Now mix them well. You can also add spring onion and green chilies to these. Now we will be adding the dry ingredients, that is salt as per the taste, and black pepper. Add sufficient quantity of black pepper, around more than half teaspoon, and now around 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, around 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar, white vinegar, and now mix these ingredients well. So friends, I have mixed all the ingredients very well, and now I'm going to keep this in fridge for at least half an hour. By the time the chicken is getting marinated, I'm going to prepare the flour for the momos. So for the flour, I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. This is half cup of wheat flour, gehu ka aata. Salt as per the taste. Friends, I'm adding around 1/4 teaspoon, that is very little quantity of sugar to this flour. And now I'll knead this with some water. The dough should not be very soft or very hard, it should be a medium dough. So I will knead it to a medium dough. Do not make a very soft dough because you need to make small puri like things and then stuff it with the momo stuffing. So the dough has to be medium, not too hard, not too soft, just medium. So friends, a perfect dough has been prepared, and I'm going to keep this for at least half an hour so that this dough becomes softer, and then after half an hour we are going to make our momos. So till then, just close the lid or cover your dough with a wet towel or a napkin, and then we'll meet you after half an hour. Okay friends, it's half an hour now and my dough is very nice and it has come out very nicely. So now I will make small balls of it. You can either make one big chapati and then you can cut it into small puris, or you can directly make small puris. So now you will take the dough, and now you can just make it into small pieces. Make it into small balls. So in this way I have made balls, and now I'm going to roll this into a puri. So it's a little flat. Dip it in the dry flour. And roll this see that you make thin puris out of it. What I'll do is I'll just take a rounded shaped object and cut a round puri so that my momo shape is just perfect. Here I got a very round puri. I'll just roll it a little more. Try to make it more thin. Okay, in this way my puri is ready. And now what I will do is I'll take a little bit of stuffing, this chicken marinated. Keep it right in the center. And cover this up nicely. And then I'm going to close it like this. There are different shapes of momos you can make, so this is the shape I like. I'm going to prepare all the momos in this way, and then we are going to steam it. First close it in this way and then just join these two edges. This is how you get this shape. Another way is you just fold these edges like this. And from another side as well. And then just twist it. You get this shape. This is a very common way of making momos. So friends, in this way I have made all the momos, and as you can see I have tried to make different shapes. These are the regular momos. This is the momo where maximum filling can fit, and these are also one of the kind of momos. So now we are going to steam these. So for that, so friends, now we are going to steam our momos. So first we have taken some water in a pan, and now this is a strain which I'm using. If you do not have a momo maker or a idli maker, you can use these kind of strains. You just grease it so that the momos don't stick. So in half kg I could prepare almost 25 momos. So now I have kept the steamer, and now I'm going to place the momos very gently. You will have to make it in 2 to 3 batches because this much will not be sufficient for making all the momos. I have packed it in this way, and now I'm going to leave this for at least 25 minutes, and then my momos will be prepared, and then we will serve it. So now close the lid, see that everything is entirely packed. You can close this hole with little bit of flour, and now leave it for at least 25 minutes, and then we will see you back. So friends, as you can see, our momos are steamed. We steamed it for around 30 minutes, and now it is ready, and I have served it with Szechuan chutney. You can make momo sauce by boiling tomatoes and grinding it along with peanuts and adding a little bit of vinegar, salt and little sugar to it. So that is how you can make the sauce for momos, but here I have served it with Szechuan chutney. So I hope you will love this video. It is very easy, and in my second part I will show you how to make fried momos. This is the first part where we are preparing the basic chicken momos, and for the second part I am going to make chicken fried momos. So please follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and do give me your comments and subscribe to my video. Have a nice day. Meet you soon. Bye bye.